If you think real estate investment is optional in life, my brother, you must be joking. And you are already missing a big part of financial freedom. Because while people are chasing income, the wealthy are quietly chasing assets, and not just assets, wealth and income generating assets. And one of the strongest assets you can ever own is real estate. In today's video, I will show you the reason why real estate investment is not just important, but absolutely necessary if you want long-term financial security. Because at some point in life, rent will not be enough and you will need ownership. You are welcome to this channel. If you are new here, I talk about real estate, investment strategy, and how to build wealth the smart way. And today, I will be discussing the reason why investment in real estate is a do or die affair. So follow me and let us enjoy this ride together. First of all, you need to understand that real estate protects you from inflation. And what does this mean? Every year, the value of money reduces, and as we are experiencing it even in Nigeria. But property value don't move back. That is a secret I want to tell you. You see, they move forward. What cost a certain amount today will likely cost more tomorrow. That means while saving loses value over time, real estate builds value over time. Number two thing why real estate is a do or die affair is that real estate builds generational wealth. You see, unlike salary or business income that stops when you stop working, property continue to grow in value and can be passed down from children and generation to come. That is how family build wealth and long-term financial stability, not just income but legacy. I have so many people who inherit the properties that was passed down from their father's father to them. The next point why real estate is a do or die affair is that real estate gives financial security. When you own a property or land, you are not dependent on monthly income alone. You have something tangible that holds value. Even in uncertain economic time, that security is powerful. Next, real estate can create multiple source of income or multiple income streams. Rental income, lease income, short-let opportunity, land appreciation through land banking. One property can do multiple things for you financially, and even agricultural income. It doesn't just sit idle, it works for you. Another point why you need to invest in real estate today is that real estate forces discipline and financial growth. Many people only start managing money properly when they decided to buy or to invest in property. It changes how they think, how you save, and how you plan, because suddenly you are no longer spending blindly, you are building intentionally. And finally, on this subject matter of why real estate is important, real estate rewards timing and patience. You see, the earlier you start investment in real estate, the more time your asset has to grow. People who start years ago are now enjoying prices others wishes they had access to. That is the power of starting early. So, if you have been ignoring real estate investment, thinking it is something for later, my brother, my sister, this is your wake-up call. Real estate is not luxury, it is necessity. So I will tell you to start small, start smart, but start now. Because the best time to invest in real estate was yesterday, and the second best time to invest in real estate is today. If you have found this video helpful, why not just subscribe to this channel for more real estate insight, and like this video, and also share this video with someone who needs to hear about this, that real estate is an important thing to invest in. And in the comment section, tell me what is the biggest reason why you are holding back from investing in real estate. I've been Ayobami. See you on the next one. Bye bye.